Assalamu alaikum. I am Abir Hassan, ID 181002002, Section DV, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This was my identity. Let's see my project now. First, at a glance, see all the vegetable trees when I plant. Then I will discuss my project in details, inshallah. I am starting with a piece of sad news first. One of my first planted tree died, which was a lemon tree. We can see that tree on the screen now. And after the tree dries, I plant a new lemon tree. Now we can see the new lemon tree on the screen. Now I explain my green economy project with my most favorite principle of economics, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost call that type of works or things whose or which sacrifice to complete another work at the same time. Now I talk about the opportunity cost of my green economic project. When I do green economy project and that time a beautiful rainy season goes on. At that time I could go around in a boat as I wish, but at that time I was working on my green economic project. That boat trip here is a opportunity cost. At the same time I could do any other type of works, such as I could a quality sleep at that time, also spend quality time with my mother, but I can't do anything. I do my green economy project for a good result in my exam. Here I sacrificed my boat trip and quality time with my mother for a good mark on my project. Then quality time and sleep are my opportunity cost against the project. That's all I had to say about my projects. At the end of it, I thank to my madam from bottom of my heart for inspiring me to do a great work. And thanks again to everyone for taking time to enjoy my project review.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehdi Asham. I am a student of Green University of Bangladesh, Department of CSE. My ID is 181002043, Section DB. First of all, I want to thank my honorable teacher who inspired me to plant some vegetable tree for Green Economic Project. I plant 3 vegetable tree for my Green Economic project, and those are vegetable tree, papaya and calabash. Now I want to describe my green economic project. One of the economic principle like people response to incentive. That means a things motivate someone to do something. I have planted local vegetable and it's much better for it and not a hybrid vegetable. For this, our family member and other people want to buy this vegetable and eat this vegetable. This is called incentive. That means local vegetable and much better for it will act as an incentive for these vegetables. That's all of my green economic project. Again, I want to thank my honorable teacher who inspired me to plant some vegetable tree for green economic project, and I am very glad to be a part of this green economic project.
Welcome to my Green Economics project. I am Hriday Datto, student of Green University of Bangladesh, and my student ID is 181002028. Under my Green Economics project, I planted 2 vegetable trees. One is papaya and another is punisha.
We know in economics there are 10 principles. Now I talk about my favorite principle, which is rational people think at the margin. I also talk about my green economics project, and further I will give an idea about how vegetable tree plantation is related in this principle. Rational people think at the margin means people make choice at the margin, which means that they evaluate consequence of making small change in the use of their resource. In my project, I planted vegetable trees because I would benefit from it, and the vegetable I get from it, I can eat with my family or sell it in the market. If we think of other people, they also plant vegetables so that they can benefit from it and grow vegetables from it and sell it in the market. Here, I and other people are planting vegetables so that we will benefit from it and will get good something from it. But if that were the case, we would not benefit from it. But neither I nor anyone else would have planted it. Here, I and other people are thinking at the margin, and everyone's thoughts are the same. So we can say that rational people think at the margin. Thank you everyone, and especially thank our honorable ma'am for inspire us for planting.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rasil Ahmed. I am a student of Gir University of Bangladesh. My ID is 181002044. Today, I can discuss about my project in this video. Here, you can see green project which is given our honorable ma'am. I planted pepper, turmeric and pepper trees under this project. I also planted puishak tree but it died in the flood water. I can compare this project to the positive externalities because we know a positive externality exists in the production and consumption of a good or service benefit a third party which is not directly involved in the market transaction. So, we know from the definition of positive externalities, in the case of externalities, some people are benefited due to the economic activities to anyone without any investment. In the same way, like positive externalities, my family is being economically positively benefited because of this project. So that's why I can easily compare this project with positive externalities. I think I can understand this topic, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওরহমতুল্লাহি বারাকাতুহু। আমি মোহাম্মদ আজাদুল ইসলাম, আইডি 181002032, সেকশন ডিবি, কম্পিউটার সায়েন্স ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং, গ্রিন ইউনিভার্সিটি অফ বাংলাদেশ। আমি আমার প্রজেক্ট সম্পর্কে কথা বলবো। আমাদের শ্রদ্ধেয় ম্যাম আমাদের একটা গ্রিন ইকোনমিক্স প্রজেক্ট দিয়েছেন, সেখানে আমি দুটি গাছ রোপণ করেছি, একটা পুঁই শাক আর একটা পেঁপে গাছ। গাছের অগ্রগতি নিয়েই আমি একটা ইকোনমিক্সের শাখা ব্যাখ্যা করব। আমি আমার সবচেয়ে প্রিয় রুলস অপরচুনিটি কস্ট এইটার উপরে আমার প্রজেক্টটাকে ব্যাখ্যা করব। প্রথমে আমি জানাবো আসলে অপরচুনিটি কস্টটা কী। অপরচুনিটি কস্ট হলো এমন একটা কস্ট যেটা কোনো একটা কাজের পরিবর্তে কাজ করা হয়, তাকে অপরচুনিটি কস্ট বলে। যেমন আমি যখন এই গাছটা রোপণ করেছিলাম, তখন এই গাছ রোপণ না করে আমি অন্য যে কোনো একটা কাজ করতে পারতাম। আমি এই সময় একটা কোয়ালিটি টাইম আমার ফ্যামিলির সাথে শেয়ার করতে পারতাম। আমি আমার ওই টাইমটুকু ঘুমিয়ে বা বিশ্রাম করে অথবা সুন্দর কোনো মুভি দেখে আমি আনন্দ নিতে পারতাম। কিন্তু সেটা না করে আমি একটি বৃক্ষ রোপণ করি। এখানে অপরচুনিটি কস্ট বলতে আমার ওই যে ঘুম, কোয়ালিটি টাইম যে স্পেন্ড করতে পারতাম, করতে পারতেছি না, সেগুলোই হচ্ছে অপরচুনিটি কস্ট। এই রোপণের বিকল্প হিসেবে। তাছাড়াও আমি মার্কের প্রয়োজনে এই গ্রিন ইকোনমিক্স প্রজেক্টটি করতেছি। এখানে আমার সেই মার্ক হচ্ছে অপরচুনিটি কস্ট। কিউ ম্যাম, আপনার এই প্রজেক্ট থেকে আমরা অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারলাম, আরও কিছু বুঝতে পারলাম যে লাইফে ইকোনমিক্সের দরকার আছে।